Now to mark the sleeve, the jacket sleeve, so you apply the sleeve length. The sleeve length is 25 inches. So the length plus 3.5. So measure 3.5. That's 25 plus 3.5. So give me 28.5. So you measure 28.5 here. And on that point, you measure 2 inches for the sleeve hem. Measure 2 inches for the sleeve hem. So this place, this is this 25 inches, which is for the sleeve measurement. This is 3.5 inches. 2 inches out of it is for the sleeve hem, while the 1.5 is for the sleeve joining and for the shoulder part. So let's roll out the sleeve hem like this, which is 2 inches. Get the sleeve cap height, and then the sleeve cap height is chest divided by 6. So and the chest is 41 divided by 6, that is 6.8. So you measure 6.8. Measure 6.8. Then you apply the elbow length, so the sleeve to elbow. So the sleeve to elbow here is 14.5. So 14.5 plus 1.5. So this is 14.5 plus 1.5, which is for the sleeve joining and for the shoulder part. So that is 16 inches. So you measure 16 inches. Apply the wideness of the sleeve. So that's the width, the sleeve width, which is the arm of the sleeve. So the arm now will be divided by 2 plus 2 inches. So our arm, which is a bicep, is 15 inches. 15 inches divided by 2, that is 7.5. And then you add 2 inches to it. So that is 9.5. Mark 9.5. 9.5. And then you roll it straight. The next thing to do is to divide this 9.5 into 2. .7. So you divide this into 2, and that will give me 4.7. So you measure 4.7. 4.7. And then you roll it straight down. Here now you measure 2 inches. So the 2 inches is for the upper sleeve. So measure 2 inches. Mark 2 inches. Then you roll it straight. So on this 2 inches, you mark ½ inch in and mark ½ inch in again. So you connect this first 0.5 with this sleeve cap. On the elbow line, you mark 0.2. So this point to this point, you roll it straight. This second 0.5, you connect it with this sleeve center points. And then you place a tape rule on it. And then what I have here is 4.2. 4.2. So divide 4.2 into 2. you come out with a 0.5, and then on this sleeve cap height you come out with a 0.5, and then you come in with a 0.7, mark 0.7 here also, and then you roll it straight. Then mark 1 inch. So you connect this line with this center point. On this point now, you measure 1.2. It can be 1.5, it can be 1.7, depending on the chest of the person you are working with. So I'm applying with this chest 41, I'm making it 1.2. So now you connect this line, this second point with this line, with this point, with this point, and then you cuff it like this. At this point you come in with a 0.7, and here you come out with a 0.5. At this sleeve M, come out with a 0.5. Then you connect the line. Now you come in with a 0.5 here, and on this point you come out with a 0.5, and you connect, you roll the line straight. So now to apply the wrist is the wrist of this measurement is 11, and the 11 divided by 2 is a 5.5. So you mark 5.5 plus 2 inches, which is for the seam allowance. So that is what? That is a 7.5. So you connected this 7.5 with this. I think the marker is drying up already. So let me use a pen to do this. Let me use another marker to do this. So I pray this shows very well. I believe you can see this. So you connect it straight down. Now for the sleeve plaquette is you measure 6.5. At this point you measure 6 inches. So the wideness is 1.5. Mark 1.5. Mark 1.5. Or better still, I like it to be very wide, so make it 1.7. Make it 1.7. Now let's apply the sleeve M on the sleeve, which is 2 inches. Mark 2 inches. 2 inches, and then you roll it straight down. So that is it for the sleeve M. Now the next thing to do is to draft out the under sleeve. So to draft out the under sleeve, the seaming allowance for the sleeve is 2 inches. So you mark 2 inches here. Now at this point, you come in with a 0.2, and at this point you come out with a 0.5. So you come out with a 0.5 here also, and then you connect this point with this point again with the sleeve height. Now you connect this point with this point, and this with this, with your armhole cuff. So that is it on how to draft the under sleeve. So now you cut out the upper sleeve like this. Now make sure that this line here and this line here align with the line on the edge here. You can see that. So now use your tracing wheel. You trace it out. Make sure you press it very well. So that is it. So now let's see it. So you can see the trace on the other side here. So now let's mark it out. That is it. So ignore this line, ignore all this line. So this is it now. So trace it out. So now let's place it. You can see that the two match each other. You can see that. See that? So that is it on how to draft and cut the sleeve. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye for now.